Hello friends, welcome again in this video lecture. In last video lecture, we started the resonance. And resonance are nothing but the different form of original molecule in which the position of electron will be different in position, and or resonance is the phenomena in which one actual molecule having number of expected structure, that expected structure of original molecule is called as a resonance, but not all molecules show the resonance. Okay, there are some conditions for the resonance. Okay, the first condition is what happens when the molecule show the resonance. Okay, first, when molecule give the resonance form, or when molecule having different form of resonance, at the time there is a change in the position of electron will be takes place, and there is no change takes place in the nuclei of molecule. Okay, we already said that resonance is nothing but the different form or number of form of the original molecule, and when one actual molecule or the original molecule show the different form of their original structure, at that time there is a change takes place only in the position of electron and not in the nuclei of that molecule. Okay, the first condition for resonance is what? When molecules show resonance, when molecules show resonance, then there is change takes place in, then there is a change takes place in position of electron. Change takes place in position of electron and not in nuclei of molecule, Okay, the first condition for the resonance is that resonance give only the different position of electron, and there is no change takes place in the nuclei of that organic molecule. And in last lecture you will see the different type of organic molecule which show the resonance. Okay, for example, we take the example of benzene. Okay, so this is the structure of benzene, and we already said that benzene having 3 pi bond. Okay, now see the position of this 3 pi bond in this benzene ring, and in the next resonance form that position will be changed. It becomes like this. Means what? The resonance due. Suppose this is the first structure and this is the second structure. Means what? The resonance due only the change in position of electron, and the nuclei of carbon atom remain as it is. There is no change takes place in the nuclei of that molecule. Only the position of electron change in the resonance form of any organic molecule, and this is the first condition. Second, in resonating structure, the total number of unpaired electron or maybe paired electron are same as which are present in the original molecule. Whatever the number of paired electron or unpaired electron are present in original molecule, that number of electron or unpaired electron also present in the resonance form. There is no change takes place in the number of paired electron or unpaired electron. This is the second condition. In resonance form, total number of paired and unpaired electron, total number of paired or unpaired electron, paired or unpaired electron are same, which are present in original molecule, which are present in original molecule. There is no change takes place. There is no change takes place. There is no change takes place in number of electron or unpaired electron. In number of electron or unpaired electron. Got it? This is the second condition for resonance, and the second condition is that whatever the number of paired electron, single electron or unpaired electron present in actual or original organic molecule, that much number of single electron, unpaired electron or paired electron present in the resonance form. And in last example, that is the benzene, we already said that there is no change takes place in the total number of electron, only the position of electron takes place or change in position of electron takes place in the resonance form. Remaining part is as it is. There is no change takes place in the remaining part, only the position of electron change in the resonance form. So this is the second condition. Third condition, the energy of resonating form and the original molecule are same. There is no change takes place in the energy also. The third condition is what? The energy of original molecule and resonating form are same. That is the third condition. Energy of original molecule and resonance form are same. Okay, so these are the condition for the resonance. The original molecule which having alternate double bond or single bond or maybe triple bond. These molecules show the more than number of form, that total number of form of an original molecule is called as a resonance. But not all molecules show the resonance. There are some conditions, and the first condition say that there is a change takes place only in the position of electron and the nuclei of atom does not change. Second condition, the total number of or whatever the number of electron that may be paired or unpaired present in the original molecule, that much number of electron present in the resonance form. And third one is the energy of the original molecule and the resonance form are always same. Okay, so these three are the conditions for the resonance. Now we will see the conjugation and the delocalization, due to which the resonance takes place in the molecule. The next point is the resonance of conjugation and the delocalization. Okay. And we know that conjugations are nothing but the molecule which having alternate double bond and single bond. That molecules are called as a conjugated molecule, and such as cysteine in which the conjugated molecules are present is called as a conjugation. Okay, listen, we already see the resonance in last lecture, and today we will see the condition for resonance. But why resonance occur? Because we already say that resonance occur in such a molecule which having the alternate double bond, single bond or maybe triple bond, and the molecule in which the the alternate double bond or single bonds are present, that molecules are called as the conjugated molecules, and the total system in which conjugated molecules are present, the system is called as a conjugation. And now we will see the conjugation and the delocalization, due to which molecules show the resonance. Now the next point is conjugation and delocalization. Conjugation and delocalization. Okay. The first point for this is that the conjugated molecule having alternate double bond and single bond. Conjugated molecule having alternate double bond and single bond. Alternate double bond and single bond. Okay, listen. Conjugation and delocalization, due to which the molecules show resonance, and for that the first point is that conjugation means the system in which conjugated molecule is present, and conjugated molecules are nothing but which having alternate double bond and single bond. And we know that when any molecule having double bond between them, means suppose carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-oxygen double bond, then in that two double bond, one bond is pi bond and the second bond is sigma bond. And all of you know that any two double bond present in any two molecules, that may be carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-oxygen double bond, the one bond is a pi bond and the second bond is a sigma bond. And when the molecule in which the transfer of electron takes place, we already see in the electromeric effect and the mesomeric effect, in which the transfer of electron takes place, and when any molecule which shows the transfer of electron, that transfer of electron is nothing but the pi electron, because the bond, sigma bond, is a strong bond, and sigma bond never break, and the sigma bonded electron never transfer in any organic molecule. Whenever the transfer or shifting of electron takes place in double bond or triple bond, that pi bond electron always transfer between the molecule. That may be double bond or that may be triple bond. So keep in mind, in any organic molecule which having double bond or triple bond, that molecule only give the transfer of pi electron. Okay. And the conjugation and delocalization, the first point is that the conjugated molecule having a alternate double bond and single bond. And second, conjugated molecule give transfer of pi electron. Okay, listen. Conjugated molecule in which the multiple bonds are present, double bond or maybe triple bond, and when the conjugated molecule gives the transfer of electron, that electron must be pi electron, and this pi electron transfer not only between the two atoms, this pi electron transfer over all the molecules. Okay, next point. In conjugated molecule, pi electron transfer all over the molecule, or spread over the molecule, Okay, listen. we will see the resonance, and resonance is the different form of the original molecule, and the most important thing is that the resonance is related with the conjugated molecule, which having alternate double bond or single bond, and the double bond and triple bond molecule or conjugated molecule give the transfer of pi electron. This pi electron does not transfer between only the two molecules. This electron transfer over all the molecule. Okay, for example, 1,3-butadiene. We already see the example of 1,3-butadiene. Okay, listen. Keep in mind one thing, that when pi electron is transferred between the molecules, that pi electrons are always the p orbital electron, which are that pi electron present in the p orbital, and that only electron transfer between the atom. So that pi electrons are always p orbital electron that transfer between the molecule. And let us see the example of 1,3-butadiene. And we know that the formula of 1,3-butadiene is CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH2. We already see. Okay, CH2, CH, CH, CH2. Okay, and only draw such a type of structure. I am not show pi electron in this structure. Okay, now we know that. I am just saying that the pi electron which are transfer over the molecule or in between the molecule, that pi electron are the p orbital electron, and p orbital having the structure of p orbital is what? There are two dumbbell shapes are present in the p orbital. Okay, now so I am writing again in this side CH and CH. Okay, now listen. These 4 carbons are present in 1,3-butadiene, and all these 4 carbons having p orbital. Okay, now listen. We will show the conjugation and the delocalization of electron, due to which the molecule show resonance, and we will take the example of 1,3-butadiene having formula CH2, CH, CH, CH2. Okay, and I am not showing the pi electron or double bond in the 1,3-butadiene. Now write down this is the first form. Okay, again we write down in second manner. CH2, CH, CH, CH2. Okay, again write down the p orbital. This is the second, and again write down one form like that. CH2, CH, CH, CH2. Again write down p orbital. Okay. Now see that there are 4 carbon. That's why there are 4 p orbital present in the 1,3-butadiene. Now this carbon and this carbon p orbital overlap this, and this carbon p orbital overlap like this, or maybe this p orbital or this p orbital overlap like this, or this p orbital overlap like this, or maybe this overlap all over the molecule. Okay. Listen. We will see the conjugation and the delocalization due to which the molecules show resonance, and we will take the example of 1,3-butadiene which having formula CH2CH CH2. Now we will show the p orbital of carbon of 1,3-butadiene, and there are 4 carbon present in 1,3-butadiene. So these are the 4 p orbital of the 4 carbon. Now this is the first carbon. This is second carbon, this is third carbon, this is fourth carbon. So in the first structure, there may be possibility. These two first carbon, second carbon, p orbital overlap with each other, and the third carbon and fourth carbon p orbital overlap with each other. Or second possibility is what? The second carbon and third carbon may be overlap with each other, or the all carbons p orbital may be overlap with each other. And when suppose we draw the structure of the first form, then it looks like CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH, again double bond CH2, means what? Here the formation of pi electron takes place. That's why these 2 carbon having double bond and these 2 carbon having double bond. And when we draw this structure, we get CH2 single bond CH, double bond CH, again single bond CH2, and this is the delocalization of electron over on the molecule. So this is the original molecule. Okay, but this original molecule show this type of resonance form, and this resonance form are given by 1,3-butadiene due to the conjugation and the delocalization. Okay, we know the conjugation. Conjugated molecule which having alternate double bond or single bond, that molecules are the conjugated molecule, and the total system in which the conjugated molecule are present, that system is the conjugation. But the transfer of electron. Okay, now listen, we will see this structure. Okay, here carbon having double bond, or this carbon having double bond. Our second form is what? This carbon having single bond, and this carbon having double bond. Again this carbon having a single bond, or this pi electron hovered all over the molecule. Means in last layer structure we will say that the pi electron shifted or transferred all over the molecule. So this shifting of pi electron all over the molecule, that shifting of pi electron is called as a delocalization. Means that pi electron present in the same molecule, they only transfer from this atom to this atom to this atom, and such a transfer of pi electron is called as a delocalization. And because of delocalization or transfer of pi electrons, the molecule having different type of structure or different type of form, the different type of structure or different type of form is called as a resonance. Because now see here, the pi bond present between these two carbon or these 2 carbon, and it may be written as the pi bond present between these 2 carbon. The both structures are correct. Only the difference is that the position of pi electron is changed and the pi electron shifted all over the molecule. That shifting of pi electron is called as a delocalization, and the resonance of molecule or the molecule show resonance due to the conjugation and the delocalization of electrons. And in last lecture, in yesterday's lecture, we will see the example of benzene. Benzene show again different type of resonance. Okay, we know that structure of benzene, which is called as a KQ structure. We already draw. Okay, the first structure of electron is what? Benzene is like that. Okay, now second structure is like that, this, or we write down the structure, third structure is like this, and this shifting of electron between the same molecule is called as a delocalization, and the resonance are shown by molecule due to the conjugation and the delocalization of pi electron. Okay, so this is the point, resonance. Okay, and the one thing I have to say that I am writing all the things on the board, for which you have to prepare your own notes by watching all the videos. So prepare your own notes, and if you have any type of problem, you can ask me directly. So please watch all the videos. You have any problem or any type of difficulty, please you can ask me. Okay, we will see the next point in the next lecture. Thank you so much for watching.